dapat pinasok sila kanina pa.
Okay, okay. We're recording, ah. Guys.
Si Prince tsaka si Adrian.
Alright, welcome to the second game, the main event of your Thursday night SFV All Valley Cup Pinoy Ballers. Here we go. Our matchup is the Van Nuys Vipers and the Sherman Oaks Wolves. The Wolves starting with the ball game here. And first 3-point basket here for the Vipers. And it bounces off. The Vipers wearing white jersey while the Wolves wearing blue jersey. Alan Poe able to find the way to escape. Pulls out Houdini move. Well, Alan Poe, no? He has been their scorer so far. Their 1-2 punch together with Abdin Bigdoli, no? So let's see if they can lead their team. Manuel at the post. Pump fake, drop pass. And foul will be called against Sanchez. Basti Sanchez, the team captain of Avengers on the Sunday League, no? So watch out for that as well. By the way, I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, also playing in the Sunday League, no? On the run is Alan Poe, pump fake. Garcia. Alcances at the middle. Alan Poe again. Alan Poe hitting them with those J's. Well, Alan Poe starting up strong here in the first quarter. Now they're up 7-4. The Wolves taking care of a 4-point lead as on the line for the Vipers. That is Vert Salvador. Di umabot yung appear natin. Free throws for Salvador. Comes up short. 7-4. 7-3.
Panalo na talo.
No, all throughout the game naman, the Lakers were up eh. Pero they were making a run during that game, no? Pushing the tempo, Big Dolly, Alcances.
Patay, bangko!
Jumper from Alcances. Make sure that we got that in the highlight reel for Team Alcances. All business for Team Alcances, no? Makita mo, hindi umingiti si Team, eh, no? Pero that's how we play the game, no? As
Nice!
Mark Manuel answers right back with that soft touch, no?
Suplado ka, diba? Nakakashoot ka lang, di ka tumipin dito.
Alan Poe on the other end, too strong, tracks down his own miss. Alan Poe goes baseline, able to slice the D. However, against 3 defenders, throws a wild shot for the Vipers. Now here comes the Wolves. Sanchez, Basti, with the bump and grind. But Alan Poe against 3 guys. Well, that's a threesome, no? And Alan Poe with a J. No fear for Alan Poe. Well, this guy, no, he will find a way to score. That's the difference between a shooter and a scorer. Money on the 3 there for the Vipers as they Moya quickly responding to the call. Alcances, again the defense swarming up on him, but Basti Sanchez misses. Here comes Moya again. Moya! And back-to-back hits for Moya. 6 points under his name as we are tied. Big Dolly puts him on the floor for Moya. Well, it reminds me of Wemby, no, kissing the floor during that playoff game, no. But that was a wild concussion, so we gotta take care. We gotta be careful in this ball game, no. Physicality is part of the ball game, but we need to play with caution as well. But Moya, no, his intensity showing here, finds Mikey Capitano. Garcia, Alan Poe, no D on him, but Manuel taking care of the board for Mark Manuel. In and out dribbling, spin move. Fades away for Moya, and no foul as he was able to release it before the contact.
Tira natin!
Alcances to Sanchez. And look at Manuel towering in the paint. Quick passing here. Crossover. No opening. Finds Salvador. Salvador as again ginawang praktisan. Target shooting si Team Alcances on that other end.
Ayan!
But Vert Salvador,
Sub!
well, even though that shot was made by Vert Salvador, no, at least Team Alcances make him work, made him earn it, no. Here comes Noel Noceda in the ball game, checking in for the first man to add some ceiling against Mark Manuel as Basti Sanchez with the trifecta, taking the driver's seat back 14-13,
Atay, Doc!
and misses that one. A reset. Garcia thought about it. Baseline. 3-on-1 situation. Moya lets it fly, and Moya, that's his third
Nice,
3-point shot for Moya. Only here in the first quarter. No, he has been unconscious here in the first quarter. 16-14. Now they grab the lead for the Vipers, putting on the venom. No,
Oh, shit! Nice
and again Moya aggressively here in the first quarter, dazzling us with his dribbling. And look at that fadeaway move from Moya, putting on the energy for the Vipers. Now they're up by 4. Well, they didn't know what hit them. Moya is playing above his pay grade here.
Nice,
And Salvador, but that was anticipated by Alan Poe. Alan Poe pulls back. He sees a bigger defender. Sets up Garcia.
Atay, Basti, tira!
Sanchez. Pump fake. Noceda gets the flyby. And rebound taken away by Tolentino. Robert Tolentino. Looking for his options. Hands off to Salvador. Moya one-on-one against Basti Sanchez. And bodies on the floor.
Parang wrestling ah!
18-14.
Lalo sa park, puro gas-gas kami niyan. Pagka sa park kami naglalaro eh.
Baseline throw with 2 minutes and 29.
Oh,
Mark
Ang bato
Manuel.
yan oh. Ay, ikaw na. Sa palit nakadali.
Or rather, RM Santos back rim, but Mark Manuel was there to save the day. Bump and grind, kicks it out. They swing that ball around. Moya with a challenge from Alan Poe, and again that's his fourth
All the way!
3-point shot from Moya. Moya
Dose? Puta.
has been a force to reckon with here in the first quarter alone, with the bump, trying to force a contact here, and Moya again. Moya able to get his own miss. Drop pass
Ay, puta!
in and out.
Linwalyabe!
Here comes Sanchez. Season opening. Noceda spots up short, and Manuel again, no? For Manuel, just doing his job on the defensive end, getting those rebounds. Crossover, able to slice the D. However, down on the floor is Alan Poe. Here comes RM Santos. No look pass. And it will remain with the Vipers, who have suddenly woken themselves up
No,
as
no
they're
pa,
up
no pa.
7, 21-14.
Loose ball lang, loose ball lang.
57 seconds left. Remember, this is running time.
Inuubo ko eh. Inuubo ko. Masama talaga pakiramdam mo nun. Di ako makakain.
The defense is trying to put on the lockdown,
Naglaro pa ako na Sunday eh.
and they will give up the foul for Mark Manuel.
Nakabili na ako nito kay Jun. Oh, good. Brand new pa nabili ko. Oh, yeah? Natawaran ko.
26 seconds left.
Italy
Team
pa to.
Alcances
Italy.
checks back in.
Saka to, nakabili na rin ako nito.
finds Alan Poe. It bounces off with 13 seconds left. They kick it out. And he hits it for Fresnedi. Rob Fresnedi
Si Rob.
re-enters the ball game, making it a 5-point game, 17 to or 4-point game, 21 to 17. The Vipers behind Moya's three-point shot. Shout out to our committee, Condi Badal, Ludwig Van, Jungo, and of course, Jano
Jano.
Santos. What's up? So please make sure to subscribe our YouTube page. We'll be right back for the second quarter. This is the second quarter of the main event game of your Thursday night. This is the Pinoy Ballers SFV All Valley Cup. The matchup is the Van Nuys Vipers 21 and the Sherman Oaks Wolves 17. What has happened there in the first quarter? Well, in the first quarter, Moya exploding with 4 3-point shots only in the first quarter, no? While for the Wolves, they were up early in the ball game. However, the defense clamping down on Alan Poe. But let's see. Abtin Bigdoli hasn't made his presence felt here in this ball game so far, but we know he will be in the ball game. Bigdoli, corner,
Oh,
and Noceda quietly sinking that basket, making it a 1-point game, 21 to 20. Noel Noceda, now he has that soft touch coming from both perimeter and on the long range, no? So you just need to set him up, no? Well, that's a good strategy, no? If Alan Poe drives to the basket, he can kick it out to their shooters, as well as Basti Sanchez, who is a known slasher, and complaining to the refs that he was fouled. Ooh, look at that move from Moya, and forcing his way goes to work. However, that was too strong. Abtin Bigdoli all the way coast to coast for Abtin Bigdoli. Finally making that basket. Well, maybe he heard us, no? That he wasn't making his presence felt. But this second quarter, now the Wolves regain the lead, 22 to 21, howling back.
nice, Jeff.
But Jeff Gutierrez makes the basket. That's his first basket for Jeff Gutierrez. Is that a three? Yes, indeed. That's a 3-point basket from Jeff Gutierrez. No? Sana gawin din ni Jeff yan sa Sunday. No? Kailangan namin yan para manalo kami sa Avengers finally. No? 0-2 ang aming standing. No? But of course, I believe we're gonna win. No? Especially pag Sunday si Jano, medyo nanghihina pag Sunday si Jano. Wala yung mga supporting cast niya pag Sunday. Wala sila ano. Wala si Dencho, wala si mga favorite teammates niya, no? And look at Alcances gets the flyby as he gets his man off the air. But credit the defense here of the Vipers, making it difficult and stolen away by Alan Poe. Noceda with the jump hook. And Mark Manuel, again, no? Just making sure that he does his job, getting those rebounds. And Mark Moya, no? Just keep on attacking the lane. Well, he embodies his team, no? Like a viper, he's putting on the venom. He's putting on those punches for Moya. No? Mexican Mamba, as they say, no? Well, now how do you stop Moya, no? He has been full of energy. Reminds me of Super Saiyan, no? Super Saiyan Moya. And he misses both free throws. Well, he cooled off here in the second quarter. Now, in the first quarter, he had 4 3-point shots. And Sanchez, pump fake.
Patay.
And with the runner from Team Alcances, all business, no time for jerking off, no? For Team Alcances, as he has been serious here in this ball game, tying the game up with 24. Big Dolly dazzling us with his behind the back dribbling, and what a move from Abdin Big Dolly. Now they're up by 226 to 24. Changing of the guard here. Well, it's like a boxer trading punches here for both teams, no? In the ball game is Tolentino, way off the mark from Robert Tolentino. As Capitano comes up with a save. Capitano will earn it on the line, and while he's at the free throw line, this is the best time for us to promote our YouTube page, no? Mikey Capitano on the line. And 1 point lead separating both teams, 25 to 26. Alan Poe, suddenly he has been quiet here in the second quarter. Well, credit the defense here of the Vipers, now making it difficult for him, not giving him clear looks. Fresnedi, no opening. Capitano on him, single coverage, crossover with the separation, and look at that Alan Poe, beautiful move as he is just amazingly dazzling us. And Moya trying to answer back with his own version. Well, there's a lot of highlight moves here. Again, with that Big Dolly move and with Alan Poe, no? Again, as we keep on mentioning, those two guys are their 1-2 scoring punch here. Alan Poe and Abdin Big Dolly. As far as the team goes, they will rely heavily on those two scorers. Moya. Pedal on the metal for Moya. Kinuha pa sa kabila ni Moya, no? I can find the words to say there for Moya as he switches hands from left to right. Well, this guy, you know, Mr. Pure Energy, no? 100%.
Captain, 4 pound.
And with 4 minutes and 13 left, Moya on the line. He misses his first try. Substitution. Basti Sanchez in the ball game again. Salvador also in the ball game.
Boundary ka na doon.
As Moya. 28 to 26. The Wolves still up. Noceda. Well, as we say, no, the leading scorer of the Wolves are Alan Poe and Big Dolly. However, the supporting cast needs to step up as well, especially with Alcances, Noceda, who can hit it and can contribute for their team. Sanchez gives up that foul. Well, that was a smart foul. No, they don't have the numbers, and at least to stop the play.
Foul, penalty.
Penalty situation. Oh, they're in the penalty. 1-on-1. As Moya again will be back on the line. Well, no, at least that's a good strategy for the Wolves for Sanchez, na, because Moya has been struggling in his free throws, but this time he made it, so he will be given another try. 27 to 28. Can he tie this ball game up? As Manuel, a well-deserved rest for their big guy, Gutierrez, checks back in. Well, Gutierrez can space the floor now. He can hit those jumpers from long range. He can also attack, no? So he can be versatile. 2 minutes and 29. We are tied at 28. Sanchez maneuvering his way, creating some space. Cross court. Anticipated by Tolentino. Again, Moya ahead of everyone. And Moya lays it in. Grabs the lead for the Vipers. And Moya leading his team. Well, he has been really explosive, no? Foul on Alex Moya. Baseline throw with less than 2 minutes left here in the second quarter. Noceda, man-to-man defense. Sanchez, one-on-one against Moya. This is going to be interesting. Sets up Alan Poe. Alan Poe uses the screen. Gets his man off the air. Sets up Noceda. And Noceda, easy basket. Courtesy of the assist from Alan Poe. We are tied at 30. Pump fake. Moya can't get his man off the air. Can't shake him off. Vert Salvador. Single coverage. Tolentino season opening. And Tolentino hitting them with that dribble drive, taking back the lead 32 to 30 with 1 minute and 15 before we end the first half. Sanchez, Alan Poe takes it closer. Poe gets the shooter's bounce. We are tied at 32. Well, both teams now evenly matched up here in this ball game. And Moya again challenging three defenders as Alex Moya, no fear, no hesitation,
Alex, graduate.
as he has been carrying his team off his back. Well, that could be a double-edged sword for the Vipers, no? Either he can carry this team, and look at that! Adjusting in mid-air, floating. Wow, Alan Poe, I'm running out of words. I'm speechless with that move, but that was a quick answer by Jeff Gutierrez. 5 points, 36 to 34. Jeff Gutierrez.
Big time yan si ano na yan, si Alex na yan. Bata pa niyan.
Baka tayo rumakit dyan. Baka tayo rumakit dyan, mga dre. 25 seconds left in the second quarter. We have some information here from Condi Manal. Recorded pa naman to. At least alam nila yung body shop na. Maybe he can sponsor the league, no?
I know, yeah.
Big time eh. May score pa siya na madami. 36 to 34. Well, this is an interesting ball game, no? It's a head-to-head matchup between Moya and Alan Poe. Both scorers, both also from the backcourt, no? Different ends of the spectrum. As we see Alan Poe a shifty guard while Alex Moya, Alan ako ng Alan. Pagsasama ko na yung Alex tsaka Alan eh. But
Parehas na A eh.
both scores, and look at that.
Parehas na A.
And with 2 seconds left,
Timeout block. 3 seconds.
3 seconds left. And let's see what will be the call here of our referee. $36 to 34. Let's see if they can make a final shot. And that's the end of the second quarter. The Vipers behind that aggressive Alex Moya, leading his team, but they're just up by 2 behind Alan Poe. 36 to 34. We'll be right back with the second half. Back to the ballgame. This is the second half action between the Van Nuys Vipers and the Sherman Oaks Wolves. Vipers up by 2, 36 to 34. What has happened there in the first half? Well, Alex Moya has been leading his team, and and on the other end for the Wolves, it has been Alan Po. No, the leading scorers for both teams. Well, 21 points for Alex Moya and 13 points for Alan Po, as that was a good set of Bert Salvador, extending the lead to 4, 38 to 34. Fresnedi, quick release, it bounces off. Tolentino, Salvador, transition. Santos lets it fly. Too strong. Abtin Bigdoli. Alan Po crossover.
Hindi ka nakalaro ng ganon, okay lang. Crucial eh. Kailangan yung umabol. Oh.
38 to 34 is our score, third quarter.
Nakahabol na kayo eh. Lamang na kayo eh.
Naririnig tayo sa recording.
Yung mga gatong kasi kanina ng mga comedy dito.
Yung gumagatong si Condi. Si Condi yung gumagatong eh. 38 to 34. And we are now with a 1 point.
Nakakahawa kanina.
38 to 37.
Parang bata si Adrian kanina dyan eh.
Salvador. Sanchez. 2 on 2. And foul will be called against Salvador.
Sino yung naka 3 point?
Salvador is fouled. On the line is Sanchez. And he misses his first try. It hasn't been updated here. There you go. 37 to 38. Okay. It's with Jaina Santos pala. Our committee for today, Jaina Santos in the scoring. Yes, he did. 38 tied for Sanchez. Santos at the middle. Capitano releases. Alan Po carving the defense up. Alcances no opening. Sets up Fresnedi. Corner pocket. Too strong. Bigdoli. Pump fake. And with the footwork, however, unable to complete it. Salvador throws it. Able to cross the timeline. As the defense putting on the clamps. And down on the floor is Fresnedi. Turning red.
Score. They got 3 points.
Our score is 38 all. Jaina, our score is 38 all.
39-38.
39.
39-38.
Technical timeout.
39-38. 3 points.
No, he only made one free throw. 38.
38. Okay. 38. Guys, you need to tell me, okay? I asked. You need AI. He said yes. Okay. So only one free throw. I know. Yeah. That's good. Reklamo sa barangay.
Sizing his defender up. Alan Po decides to take it at the middle. Sanchez puts it up. All board. Well, he got a clear look for Sanchez, so we consider that a good shot. Substitution, Gutierrez in the ball game.
May pito rin kami dito ha.
So, fresh legs here for the Vipers. Well, they rested their leading scorer Moya. Or rather, he's being defended by Sanchez. A box one against him. And Tolentino, Robert, making the basket now. They're up by 3, 41 to 38. Alan Poe slicing the D as he slashes his way. Here comes Moya on the attack again. Goes hard to the basket. But this time, Aptin Bedoli providing a stop. Noceda again. His bread and butter for Noel Noceda. That demeanor of Noel Noceda, no? Calmly making that basket. He is unfazed. So that's a reliable shooter. But Tolentino on the other end, back-to-back hits for Robert Tolentino. 6 points, making it a 4-point game, 44 to 40. Big Dolly kicks it out. Alan Poe tries to answer right back with a hand on his face, making it a 1-point game, 43 to 44, shutting all the doubters down there. And Moya, as it hit the foot of Sanchez, and that was a costly turnover. As now the Wolves have a chance to grab the lead. Sanchez against Gutierrez. Quick first step. Sets up Noceda. And Noceda jump hook. They tap it back. Garcia kicks it out. Alan Poe. One-on-one. Able to manage to still make that shot. However, it was too strong. He will go to the line and he will have to earn it.
Sarado yung bangko eh. Kanina pa sarado. ATM lang, team. ATM na lang. Wala rin pa sarado na.
And now the Wolves are up by 1, 45 to 44. And now they can extend the lead. Well, at least though, Alan Poe, fast and furious offense here. Sanchez attacks the lane and everything but the shot. But Noceda saving the day. Garcia stolen away by Tolentino. 2-on-1. Tolentino goes all the way. Comes up short. But Gutierrez, that's his 6th point. 46 to 45. 46 to 45. Gutierrez cleaning up the glass with 2 minutes and 9. Alan Poe again trying to slither his way. Corner, Sanchez still offline, but Noceda again coming from behind out of nowhere. High-low, Garcia, Alan Poe, same spot as a while ago. This time though, different result. 1 minute and 44 before we go to the 4th and final quarter as Alcanzas checking back in.
Sa bangko gubat. Pahinga muna. Bangko gubat out.
And look at the defense of Sanchez, making it difficult, at least taking away the comfort zone of Moya. And bailout call, as it will remain with the Vipers, who is still up by 1, by the way, behind Tolentino and Gutierrez, no? Tolentino, 6 points here in the 3rd quarter. No opening. Gutierrez, 2-man game, and Gutierrez, 7 points, or rather 8 points for Jeff Gutierrez here in this ball game. He has been stepping up. Here comes Alex Moya. Look at how quick this guy is. Handoff to Tolentino. 3rd 3-point shot. Ayun, hawak mo ang beat pero hindi mo nagalaw yung camera. Ano ba yan? Di mo nakuha yung turo eh. Tumuro si Tolentino eh. 52 to 45. Big Dolly, too strong. Tolentino, he is on a momentum, on fire, but Abtin Big Dolly taps it away. Big Dolly squares up, and this time, shutting down Condi Banal. 48 to 52. Again, Tolentino. And this time, Noceda. Well, that was a lousy pass, no? Cross-court pass. Alcances. And that ends the third quarter. Exciting fourth quarter on the way. 52 to 48. The Vipers up behind Tolentino's streak shooting. And Gutierrez as well here in the third quarter. We'll be right back with the fourth and final quarter. This is Pinoy Ballers SFP All Valley Cup. Ludwig Van, Magic Man, you know who I am. All right, fourth and final quarter, final 10 minutes. If we don't go to overtime, this is Pinoy Ballers SFB. The Vipers in control behind the surging Alex Moya. However, in the third quarter, two guys have been stepping up, Tolentino and Gutierrez as Capitano also contributing here in the fourth and final quarter. Big Dolly stolen from behind by Moya. Look at Moya. Ooh, look at the speed by Moya. Alex Moya surging here, goes berserk. Corner. Sanchez. And almost get the shooter's bounce from corner 3 from Fresnedi, making it a 3-point game, 54 to 51. Gutierrez, Salvador, two-man game. Gutierrez with a challenge from Alcances, and Gutierrez with the stare down on Alcances, making it a 6-point game, 57 to 51. Alcances, this time he will try to answer right back as Team Alcances with the runner. Smooth operating dribbling drive from Team Alcances. 53 to 57. Bert Salvador challenging Big Dolly. Throws a shot from Capitano. They have been on the spot here for the Vipers, who has been making it rain from long distance. Well, they have been bombing the 3-point area, no? Terrorizing the Wolves. 60 to 53, 7-point game. Drop pass. Sanchez can't shake off his defender. Manuel standing his ground. Big Dolly releases in and out as taken away. Gutierrez being hounded, being harassed, but Manuel able to cross the half court. However, Alcances taking it away. Fresnedi with a challenge from Manuel. Well, good position there from Alan Poe against Gutierrez. Sanchez fars away. Too strong. Here comes Moya. 3-on-2 situation. Moya to Capitano. Gets the shooter's bounce with the assist from Moya. And look at the steal from Moya against Alcances. Ooh, down on the floor as Moya You can feel the intensity from here. With 7 minutes left, well, you can feel the heat here as the Vipers extending with a 9-point game, 53 to 62. Moya and Alcance's physicality, but there's no dirty play there, so that's all good from the hood. And Team Alcances re-energizes himself as he was able to make that basket in traffic. Manuel Salvador Moya, top of the key. Alex Moya, no fear, no hesitation from Alex Moya, making it a 10-point game, 55 to 65. And tempers flaring here as this is getting emotional with 6 minutes and 14. And it will be
Who's foul? Okay, okay. No foul? No foul, no foul. It's warning, no foul.
Alcances serving the floor. Almost a steal. And look at that defense trapping Sanchez. However, he was able to escape, and Salvador gives up the foul. Almost halfway here in the fourth quarter, 10-point lead by the Vipers. And of course, they need to control their emotions here. No, as we say, basketball is 90% mental and 10% physical. No, you gotta be tested with your mental toughness, especially with those kinds of plays. The physicality, taking away your comfort zone as Abdin Bigdoli stays concentrated here, focused on that move. 57 to 65, 5 minutes and 9. Let's see what will happen here. Manuel establishes his ground as that was set up beautifully for that quick basket from Mark Manuel. Abdin Bigdoli, he is also on fire, making it a 7-point game, 60 to 50, 67 to 60 rather, with 4 minutes and 44. Gutierrez decides to take it. Here comes Alan Poe, and foul will be given up by Mikey Capitano. 7-point game, huh? So let's see if they can convert here for the Wolves. This is going to be interesting. However, for the Vipers, if they're able to make a stop, they can control this ball game. Bigdoli able to escape, and Abdin Bigdoli, all points coming from here in the last 2 minutes for the Wolves. 5-point game, 67 to 62 behind Bigdoli, trying to inspire his teammates to make a run as Alex Moya behind the back dribbling, and again he's down on the floor. Alex Moya giving it all out, all hard here in this ball game. Well, you gotta admire Alex Moya now, bringing in the energy, bringing in all the intensity for his team. But look at Sanchez coming from behind as he gives it away to the opponent, Vert Salvador. Can he convert? And Vert Salvador, burying the tray, makes the defense pay. Well, that was a costly turnover, no? 70 to 62. They could have regained some kind of momentum, but for Bigdoli, gets the double team. Alan Poe will try to hit it. Front rim. Moya. Down low. Tolentino. What a ball game. 5-point game.
Nice Abdin. 7-0.
It's an 8-point game separating both teams as timeout will be called. We'll be right back after this break.
Fourth quarter na fourth quarter na pala.
Halftime break muna. Yan o. Jano Santos. Yan naman. 3 minutes and 5 remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. Let's see if the Wolves can make a run behind Abtin Bigdoli and Alan Poe. Well, Alan Poe has been quiet here in the fourth quarter, no? As well as the other teammates, no? Noceda needs to step up here as he has done in the first 3 quarters, spotting up, as well as Sanchez. We haven't seen Sanchez make some baskets here. So let's see. Salvador. So, well, what's the good thing about the Vipers? Everyone is contributing, and Moya gets a double team, and that could have bring the house down here. But Alan Poe on the other end will try to convert, and Alan Poe making it a 6-point game with 2 minutes and 36. This ain't over, folks. 64 to 70, 6-point game separating both teams. Moya against Sanchez. Well, you gotta credit the defense of Sanchez here, making it difficult for Moya to get clear looks. However, just Moya is just too talented, no? But at least give Sanchez the credit for taking away the comfort zone. Vert Salvador, Tolentino against Noceda. Tolentino able to make some baskets a while ago. That's why they're up this time. Last 2 minutes, ladies and gentlemen.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Courtesy of Condi Banal using the screen. Salvador almost losing the handle. Moya again behind the back to Manuel, and Manuel with the dagger. 64 to 72. Well, that was just unselfish play from Alex Moya, no? But Abtin Bigdoli not giving up without a fight here in this ball game. 67 to 52. It's just a 5-point game. Tolentino uses the clock on their side. Well, they know they have the lead with a bump, with the grind, and the board, and the shot for Tolentino. As Tolentino not bothered by the defense as Sanchez pulls the trigger. Alan Poe, 1 minute and 10. Noceda off the mark. Alan Poe with a challenge from Tolentino. Tracks down his own miss. Blocked by RM Santos, but he got a piece of the hand as that could at least give some cushion for Alan Poe to earn it on the line for 2. 67 to 74, 7-point game. 20 points for Alan Poe. However, they're down by 7. Let's see. He misses. Alan Poe makes the basket. 68 to 74. Moya against the double team being pressured here. And Abtin Bigdoli, no shooter's bounce for him, but the tip in by Alan Poe's 4-point game with 44 seconds left. And it will go to the Wolves. Well, the door's still open here. Let's see if they convert here. Well, it's going to be interesting. Sanchez, man-to-man defense here. And a steal from Moya. Well, that was predictable pass from Sanchez, no? Especially against Moya. Golden opportunity missed here. 40 seconds left. Well, this ain't over, folks. Unless they give him the foul. And, of course, if the Vipers use the clock here, Tolentino will be fouled by Bigdoli. Well, as we said, no? You still gotta credit the Wolves here, no? Not giving up. Well, as long as there's still time, that's the mentality, no? As long as there's still time, you can try to make a comeback until the time expires, as foul will be given up by Tolentino, or rather by Garcia, and Tolentino will go to the line.
Two more.
They're still not yet in the penalty with 37 seconds left. Precious seconds being wiped off here in the fourth quarter. And stolen away. Alan Poe, short. Salvador, 30 seconds left, and they give up that foul. Well, good attempt, no? Clear look from Alan Poe. And they're still not yet in the penalty. 30 seconds left. Full court pressure here being applied. Santos receives it, and Santos on the floor. Fouled by Big Dolly. And now it's free throws time. We still have time. If we don't go to overtime. Santos on the line. Let's see if he will be pressured or he will be the one to put the nail in the coffin for the Wolves. The Vipers up by 4, 74 to 70. Santos misses, keeping the window open here. Sanchez, all the way for Sanchez, cutting down to 74 to 72. Santos will go to the line again. Well, if he makes both, they will have a cushion. But if he only makes one, this is still Abtin Big Dolly will graduate from this game as Alcances will replace him. 6 fouls for Big Dolly, or 5 fouls. Santos, game is on his hands. Santos misses again, but rebound by Tolentino.
Pag namitis pa yan, talo pa yung mga yan. Tignan nyo. Pag nagmitis pa kayo, talo na kayo.
Tolentino on the line.
If you miss, that's it. One shot.
Let's see if
If you miss this shot,
this will be it or
make it shot.
Tolentino makes it, making it a 3-point game. Well, this will decide the ball game. Now, if he makes this basket, this is over. However, if he misses, well, there's still a chance for the Wolves. And still, the Wolves will call a timeout.
Nice. Overtime. Overtime.
Let's see if they have nerves of steel to make a comeback here. 3-point game, 75 to 72. Crucial possession. As we are back in the action, Canoga Park in this Thursday evening. 15 seconds left. Man-to-man defense. Make or break here for the Wolves. Can they drive this game to overtime? Or will the Vipers take care of business? Noceda!
Sayang.
Santos will be replaced by Capitano. $75 to 72. Here we go. Baseball pass. Manuel. Tolentino. Oh, the door is still open. 10 seconds left. Alan Poe for the tie. They tap it back. Garcia. Noceda. To tie the ball game. We are tied at 75 with 2 seconds left. Throw it. And we are tied at 75. We go to overtime as Noceda sinking it in. Corner pocket.
Ilang minutes ang overtime? 2 minutes? 1 minute.
1 minute overtime.
1 minute.
Here we go. As Noceda. Well, I thought the Vipers.
We don't have time.
The Vipers had it in their bag. However, Noceda, just no fear on that
Error siya, tapos siyang
corner 3. Here we go, folks. Who wants it more? That's the question. Both teams are talented, but who has the edge here? Well, momentum is on the side now of the Wolves. Big Dolly is fouled out, so
Tira team! Tira Basti!
Sanchez at the middle, drop pass. And another turnover from Sanchez. He should have taken the shot there. But let's see if they can convert. Moya with the runner. Alex Moya. 77 to 75. 36 seconds left.
Tagal nun.
Alan Poe spots up. Too strong. No shooters bounce. Garcia with the offensive board. Alan Poe. Pull up, Jay. We are tied again at 77. 18 seconds left. Alex Moya against Sanchez. Man to man. Pressure. Uses the screen from Gutierrez. Here comes the head-to-head matchup. 7 seconds left. Ball will remain. 7 seconds left for the win, or we'll go to second overtime. We'll see. Moya. Warning for the Wolves with 7 seconds left. Moya looking at his options. Tolentino against Garcia. Ooh, down on the floor. And Tolentino will earn it again on the line. 77 all. High octane ball game.
That's 10.
3 seconds left.
Wala na. Wala na.
No more timeout.
Wala na overtime. No timeout. Wala na timeout. No timeout. No timeout.
Tolentino. Let's see if he can have the lead for the Vipers. And he misses. 3 seconds left.
Hawak mo. Hamdin. Patay.
Tolentino. One more try. Well, he just needs to make one, no? And then make a defensive stop on the other end. He misses both. 3 seconds left. They throw it. Alan Poe, 1 second. And another
Sudden death. Sudden death.
sudden death here. Sudden death. We are tied at 77. Sudden death. First
First shot win. First shot win.
First to make the basket wins the ball game.
Win.
Let's see who will end this ball game. This is sudden death. One basket to grab the victory.
Wala na. No time. No time.
Oh, hold on to your seats, folks, because this is one basket to end the game. Santos to Tolentino, and Tolentino, making up for his mistake on the free throw line, ends the ball game with 79 to 77. As the Vipers escaping with a 2-point game, 79 to 77, with that double overtime. And that ends the ball game on behalf of our committee here, Condi Banal, our Commissioner Jungo, and Jano Santos. This is Ludwig Van, Magic Man. You know who I am.
Nice legs.
Long time no see, Alex. I don't know if you still remember me, the guy with the decent juke.